Hey guys, Filmy Bandit welcomes you, your one-stop destination for the latest Bollywood buzz and celebrity style updates. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at Tamanna's Bhatia's breathtaking appearance at the ELLE Awards 2026, where she completely stole the spotlight in a stunning black dress. Tamanna's Bhatia is admired for her versatility, charm, and impeccable fashion sense. Whether it's ethnic elegance or red carpet glamour, she always knows how to make a lasting impression. At the ELLE Awards 2026, Tamanna stepped out in a gorgeous black outfit that perfectly reflected sophistication and modern glamour. The dress beautifully highlighted her poise, confidence, and timeless style. The moment she arrived on the red carpet, all eyes were instantly on her. Her graceful walk, radiant smile, and confident aura made her one of the most talked about celebrities of the evening. Her flawless makeup, sleek hairstyle, and perfectly styled accessories elevated the entire look. Every detail came together seamlessly, creating a picture-perfect red carpet moment. This appearance once again proved that Tamanna carries black with unmatched elegance. She doesn't rely on over-the-top styling, her natural grace and confidence do all the talking. Fans and fashion critics alike couldn't stop admiring her stunning presence. Her look at the ELLE Awards 2026 reflected class, confidence, and effortless glamour. Overall, Tamanna Bhatia's black dress look at the ELLE Awards 2026 was nothing short of mesmerizing. With elegance, confidence, and timeless beauty, she truly ruled the red carpet and left everyone impressed. Her black dress once again proved that simplicity, when paired with confidence, creates the most powerful fashion statement. Tamanna carried the look with such ease that it instantly became one of the standout moments of the night. From her poised expressions to her confident body language, everything about her presence reflected star power and sophistication. She effortlessly balanced modern trends with timeless elegance. This stunning appearance further cemented Tamanna Bhatia's position as a true fashion icon, admired for her refined choices and graceful red carpet presence. Her look left both fans and fashion critics impressed. With this unforgettable appearance at the ELLE Awards 2026, Tamanna once again showed why she remains a favorite across industries. Her elegance and charm truly elevated the glamour of the evening. Her presence at the ELLE Awards 2026 truly lit up the red carpet, proving once again that she knows how to command attention with grace rather than excess. Tamanna's style felt confident, refined, and effortlessly glamorous. The classic black silhouette, combined with her radiant smile and poised demeanor, created a look that will be remembered as one of her finest red carpet moments. Every appearance reflected maturity, confidence, and timeless beauty. This look also showcased Tamanna's evolving fashion journey, where elegance and individuality come together seamlessly. She continues to inspire fashion lovers with her understated yet impactful choices. Moments like these remind us why Tamanna Bhatia remains a beloved style icon, someone who can turn simplicity into sophistication and leave everyone mesmerized. With this stunning appearance, Tamanna once again added magic to the ELLE Awards night, making it an unforgettable celebration of style and glamour. Her confidence shone through every pose, proving that true glamour comes from within. Tamanna didn't just wear the outfit, she brought it to life with her effortless charm and elegance. The subtle detailing of her look, paired with her calm yet powerful presence, made this appearance feel truly special. It was a perfect blend of modern sophistication and timeless beauty. This red carpet moment will surely be remembered as one of Tamanna Bhatia's most iconic fashion appearances, setting new benchmarks for elegant evening wear. Her look became an instant favorite among fashion enthusiasts, with many praising her refined styling and graceful aura throughout the event. With this mesmerizing appearance, Tamina once again proved that she is not just a star, but a true style muse who continues to redefine elegance with every public appearance. So, what are your thoughts on Tamina Bhatia's gorgeous black dress look at the Elle Awards 2026? Share your opinions in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more celebrity fashion updates, award night highlights, and Bollywood buzz. Stay tuned.